Hi, and welcome to another Nifty Tools tutorial. This one covers the Nifty Pid Scheduler. Let's get started. Now the goal for this video tutorial is to end up with an IFTTT, and if this then that applet, like the one shown here. Let me run through what we're going to cover in the video. We'll start with a Zazzle search on their main site. When we've got our search results, then we'll click on the Nifty Zazzle Pid's bookmarklet. Don't worry if you haven't got yours yet, we'll cover that as we go. That'll produce us a PID list, which you'll then copy, ready for pasting into a new Nifty Pid schedule. When we've done that, we'll be clicking on the Make Feed URL for IFTTT. We'll be making a new applet. Okay, that summarizes what we're going to go through. Let me just tidy up here. So the first thing to do is to do a search, and I've decided I'm going to make an IFTTT applet, a schedule for graduation. Now I'm going to want invitations. Here we are. Here are the invitations. Okay, so now we've got our search results. We click on the Nifty Zazzle Pid's bookmarklet, and that creates this page. It's an export page, and at the very top you can see it's called the export window, and there's a list of all the PIDs, but here they are ready for copying and pasting. So I've highlighted them, copy, get around to our Nifty Pid Scheduler setup, and the first thing we'll do is paste what we just copied. So that's the PID list in place. Now it's a case of doing the schedule. I'm going to do the schedule on every day of the week, spread evenly over 24 hours. Okay, let's make the feed URL for IFTTT. And that's there ready for copying and pasting into a new applet on IFTTT. Before we go on to that though, I said that I'd cover off how you get the Nifty Zazzle Pid's bookmarklet. Well, it's very, very straightforward. You see the link here. All you have to do is drag it up to your bookmarks toolbar. Now I've already got one, so I'm not going to actually drop it, but that's how you get it. Okay, so let's now copy the feed URL for IFTTT. So that's it copied. Now around to my IFTTT account, new applet, if this, and it's an RSS feed. Although it's a PID list, the way that the results get scheduled by IFTTT is via a behind-the-scenes RSS feed, but it's not a Zazzle feed, not like ones you might be used to. Okay, well, I've got it ready for pasting, so let's just paste, and you can see there's the whole feed URL with lots and lots and lots and lots of product IDs. Okay, let's create this trigger now. So that's the if this part done. Then that, and we want Pinterest. There it is. Add the pin to a board. And I've already got one called graduation. Next to the added description, I'm going to add some hashtags. create the action. Now I've got to give a name, and it's suggesting all this gubbins, but I don't want that. What I want is to mention the board name, but first of all I'm going to say that it's a PID created one. I want to put in the search page that I used on Zazzle here, and to do that, conveniently at the top of the export window is the page that was actually used, or the page URL on Zazzle that was actually used. So I'm just going to copy that, pop round to IFTTT, paste, and indicate that it's going to the graduation board. You can update the name to say what page number that you got your results from. Okay, that's it done. Let's finish. And there's our new applet. You'll find a link to the nifty PID scheduler in the comments. Thanks for watching. Bye.